Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you're watching this in the globe. Welcome to Nana's Classic Stitches channel. If you are new to my channel, welcome and thank you for clicking. And returnees too, thank you so much. Today, as I said, we're going to work on our dress. Okay, hold on. Thank you, my subscribers. Please share my videos. As I always say, there's more goodies coming. As I said, we're going to work on 5917. I went ahead and did this. So, this is size 22. I intentionally did big size to give it away. Okay? And today, I'm not going to start you off on anything. I'm just going to walk you through a bit of my layout because this is a printed fabric. I saw it at the fabric shop and I couldn't resist it. It's so beautiful, I had to buy it. And then it took me a while to get the patterns the way I wanted. It's a pattern all over the place, okay? It's not in a sequence or in any order. So it's everywhere. And it's opposite in the leaves and the flowers. So as I said, it took me a while to put it where exactly I want, okay? So I'm just going to show you a bit of my layout, and then I'm not going to cut it today, but please cut yours by next week, and I'm going to start you sewing step by step, from the bodice to the skirt to the sleeves, step by step, and then we're going to join it all together. And certain things I'll do it my way, and if you're having a hard time following the way I work, as I said before, just follow the instructions, okay? But we'll take it starting next week, okay? So don't panic. It's easy. Certain areas that is a little bit tricky, but I'll walk you through it, okay? So give me a few minutes. Let me turn the camera around, and then you can look at my print and the layout of my I've cut the skirts already, so just the sleeve, the bodies, the bindings, and then the inset. That's it, okay? So give me a minute. Okay, here we go. I don't know if you can see the way I set up the camera, but it will do. I have the back bodice, the sleeve, and then the front, and then the straps for the sleeves, okay? So you follow your instruction and do your layout, mark your notches, and then make a pen or pencil mark or where the gathering is going to go in the front, okay, and where the inset is going to go. Make sure and notch every notch that is on a pattern, so to be easier for you to follow. Anyway, this is the end of the video, so I'm giving you enough time so you don't panic, so you can relax and get yourself prepared. Please iron your pattern pieces, dry iron, okay? And then take your time. You have a whole week, so take your time and lay your pieces. Find your size, because this comes from I got the 14 to 22, but I think there's 6 to 12 also. So get your size, and then follow the instructions, because this is not the first time we've laid out a bodice or top for us to cut. We've done the shirt, we've done the fittings for the shell pattern, so at least you're familiar, okay? If not, go back to some of my early videos. I think the 4th one or the 5th one. Okay, project 5 or 4 or so. And then watch that and then follow it so that it will guide you to lay your patterns and cut them. And don't forget your tracing paper and your tracing wheel, okay, because it's a multi sizes. So if you're cutting your size, as I always say, don't cut the extra sizes off, just in case you gain weight, you lose weight, you have all these patterns for you to recut. So don't forget your tracing paper, your tracing wheel. Okay, so this is the end of the video for the second time, and I'll see you next week. Have a good day, have a good cutting patterns, and I'll see you next week. Thanks a lot. Bye bye for now.